So instead of going for high-end materials, we can go for organic materials. We'll see. Now, costing of NFT channels, if you will see, it might, for a 1 acre setup, it can go at around 50 to 70 lakh overall, including the greenhouse, but without the fans. It can go up to that much for a 1 acre plant. Whereas only the channels, they cost around 40 lakhs. So it is highly capital intensive startup if we are opting for NFT type of technology. However, we can go for, as I told you, if you are in the Northeast area, bamboo is easily available. So the same thing, we can use bamboo for growing instead of actually getting the channels for NFT. And this will reduce the cost to maybe around 5 to 6 times the cost is reduced by using just the locally available material for the farming. And this has been this picture on the left side is actually taken from an Indian farm in Northeast, and this one is one from China. China also is growing a lot of is using hydroponics. uh, Now, whenever we opt for hydroponics, we have to grow the sapling earlier, as in we need to grow the sapling and then transfer it to the main setup of either the clay beads, or we can opt for those gravel or something that we have to see. But this kind of egg tray can be used for just growing the sapling. It's an easy way out. And yeah, so as I told you that the farms in India, one of the farms, the red otter farms that I talked about in Dehradun, they are using such kind of tarpaulin sheets, and again they are using aquaponics technique. And there is the gravel or gravel that they are using in this, or the aggregates that are using as the media here under the bed of hydroponic plants. So the aquaponic plants, it's nothing but the gravel from the hilly areas, surrounding hilly areas. And they are getting, they said, it was said that the profit started flowing after 1.2 years. That is, the revenue was generated after 1.2 years, though typically an aquaponic farm may require around 3 years to give you a break even, around 2 to 3 years to give a break even. Maximum time is 3 years. After 3 years, the break even does occur. So this and the biggest setup, I think so, for the hydroponics and aquaponics in India is in Bangalore, with where Madhvi Farms is having around 20 acres of farmland. Though entire thing is not hydroponics or aquaponics, but they are having quite a big setup for aquaponics, and they are providing at least to Bangalore and the nearby areas most of the organic produce is provided by Madhvi Farms.